Chairman ka Green Tech Foundation GTF uba H Banseudor Nonglang ularai ban beteng ya kajing syat ngan baklemput hadin bakatana tourism kala kentaj ban pendam no ya kajing ate ka bakentum hapo dolon nong lumpong deng haka project Taj Yam Resort and Spa. Ya kanika rai la shim hadin bakajing kendu bat ka director katana tourism ka kong BL pakenteng kabam shimla a ya kanu kanu kajing pentikna ban pendam no ya kanika project. Menta kasngi kabade kasngi kabahinyau jong kajing syat ngan Chairman jongi uladan hakamet kapatrot shibun kat banang mi kisngi. Menta kasngi ki board district kila kintu ngi bangin ya kendu ya ka director katana tourism ka kong BL pakenteng ong secretary general ka GTF uba ritri lingdo haba benrap baya kanika jingalang lakhot hakapor kabelingkan klem kajing a jing tip lupa lingba kajing tho. Henry kim shimlawan haringkat kajing tho jing kular bat hadin hakapor janmit hakapor kumba saw pau ngila yo ya kashiti ka baong bakkan don ka jingalang ka balakhot da ka director katana tourism ulapun pau. Hadin bangila syong jingalang hapadeng ki para dekat ngila shim ya ka ra bangin lej ishim benta ha ka jingalang bat ka director ulaong. Habak kedaw halor ka jingmi na ka jingalang uba ritri ulaong bakatana tourism kadang yai beteng ban bat ya ulumpong deng hapok project. Ka jingmi na ka jingalang kalong ka basngusi shibun. Ngila syong menta lak palat rius ngi da ka jingkermen baka sorkar kan shim kya ya ka nika jingdawa ka jongi bat penkut no ya ka nika project. Henry hadin balai keren sani ki babun ki man kam tam hakabaya day bat kamaryang katana tourism kalaong bakan umweng satya ya kajingate kabakdo bakadolon nong lumpong deng kandon hakabenta jong project resort bat spa ulaong.
Today being the 7th day of the indefinite hunger strike, our chairman has fallen weak as the days pass by, and this morning, as you have seen, the district administration had asked for us to meet with the director, the director of tourism, however, he did not come with a written assurance. And later in the evening at around 4:40, we received a letter that was delivered to us saying that there would be a meeting that has been convened by the director of tourism, the directorate. After we had a meeting amongst our team members, we had taken a decision that we shall go and attend the meeting. The outcome of the meeting is quite very disappointing. We have been sitting here for more than 6 days hoping for a very, very productive results from the government's end, that they will scrap this project. However, after deliberating on many issues, with the environment being the crux of the discussion, the Department of Tourism through the Directorate is adamant that they will not remove or revoke the agreement that mentions Lumpong Deng to be part of the luxury resort and spa. Therefore, on such a disappointing outcome of the meeting, Green Tech Foundation, through the chairman, announces that the indefinite hunger strike shall carry on and demonstrations as guaranteed under the Constitution of India shall be amplified.
Hadin kani ka jingalang ka Green Tech Foundation kalapun bana bakan nang penjur shushu ya ka jingaki. Kumta halor kani ka jingmi na ka jingalang ka basngo benyau ka Green Tech Foundation lingba uchaman kapun bana baka jingshat kan baklem put kandang ya shakman bat ka jingaki lingba kalenti jong ka riti sensyar kari India kandang yai beteng bat nang penjur shushu ulaong.
Ngai kuplay api barok ngasuto ki baton hangni bat ki bapait na ki thluyang thlu samro hadin kan ke jing punwana jungi ngathrai kawan pensat arsha kawan penbita nritong kawi ngai shukwa banong yepi baka jing ye khon na du gisngi banongkong ngibu yagi jing doai na kalong sakunno kumnoro kani kamdai shu ka mat jong ka gerentek marwai jong pi kilong kami kilong kwa ki bayet kala di ka mat jong ka cai penrio ladang ihapan pen kelam ladang ihapan yale da kano kanoro ihapan sim da kalenti ka bacai cai da kalenti ka balong kano monra kano ka jing pen kelmar snong ka jing kuri hura ngin punjul tang ka jing doai pat kerpat ya pi baro ba nyundai ban ngasto ka jing pitar kamdai ka bakai dia kerpat ya baro la kitu ko dan hangene ki ba pet kelang sodong kari kasi sungha ngenong ki bajajai kino yalam ki kenhon ki sang wapar ngenong ki bajajai kata kari jing par kerpat rit ke jongi kum kino yalam jong kerentek ingin saya perkat ke kalenti ke bangin syam ke kalenti ka ba ngin rai ngin nom yalong kloit kli ngin nom yalong bital ngin rai tang kawai ngin nom pendam ha kane ke sorkar ka bamut bandi ya kitrai muluk ha umendar MTM kum bangilarai bat kane ke jingyale kanom dai jong kerentek marwai lada pipakla pen kelam sendan bat ke sekretariat